This video is brought to you by
Good afternoon, guys, and welcome back to the channel. We are so happy to have you here today. We are going to talk to you about this amazing innovative product from Outask. This is their tripod telescopic lantern, and hands down, this is one of the best lights I think we've had to date.
We've used it. We've used this thing in so many situations where other lights are more specifically designed for. This one, we've used it for pretty much everything. We've used it for cooking. We've used it as a flashlight. We've used it as area lighting around the campfire. It's got 3 levels of light. It's got amber. It's got SOS. There's nothing it hasn't come through and actually shone on. So for something this size, it's a powerhouse. Closed, it's 26 centimeters. Fully extended, 93 centimeters. Now that might not mean a lot just when you're saying numbers, but for versatility, when you're doing, let's say, putting it underneath your chair, we've used it underneath the truck just to keep mice away. What else? We've used it obviously for cooking. Flashlight. There's nothing we haven't used it for, and usually I don't really ask about the lighting when we're packing up, but I have asked Joanne, do we have the Outask?
Is it charged?
Yeah, is it charged actually is another one. But to show you some of the features, we're gonna open it up, and it's just amazing that you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to hang it, even though it has a cord if you do want to hang it from something. It also has on its tripod magnetic bottoms, so you can put it to your hood. We've put it to the side of our truck. It did okay.
It did okay.
I'm not going to say it stayed there without a problem. If I extended it out too much, it became side heavy and sort of dropped off. But you know what? It's not often I'm hanging it on the side of the truck, to be honest. I'm using it for cooking. I'm using it around the campfire. I'm using it, like I said, underneath the truck just to keep mice away. And you know, you get to some of those areas and a lot of mice running around. They love to build nests and chew out your wiring. We've just put it on low underneath the truck, underneath the engine bay, just to keep stuff out of there. Joanne has used it many times as a little flashlight when she's got to go in the middle of the night.
Yep.
I can't say enough good things about it. I actually love it. It charges by USB, okay, my MIG mugs, USB-A and USB-C.
Yep.
And it lasts like forever.
Yeah. It's quite quick charging as well. You don't have to wait forever, which is a huge bonus.
I love the directional light, which is 720 degrees, I think. Yeah. So it's just, you can get it straight down for lighting, directional, or you just put it up and it'll light an area. Now, is this going to be one of those ones that you use to light up a whole campsite? No. This is very specific to little tasks around, but that's what I find even with our big lights that we have that'll light up, you know, 40 feet around us. If I'm standing in front of something, it'll still cast a shadow. So that's where this guy steps in, and it's done it amazingly.
Absolutely.
That's my experience with it. It's got 3 modes as far as brightness.
Yep.
It's got an SOS pattern, and you can also change it to amber to keep those pesky little critters, bugs, mosquitoes away.
And of course, we got it in the military army green, but it does come in several other colors as well. And you can also get a carrying sleeve that it can slide into.
We didn't get one though.
We didn't. If you are an avid hiker, we have seen that you can actually close it, the tripod, and you stick it in your backpack and you have it coming over you. So that's also another brilliant feature.
Like I said, guys, I rarely find something that I find so useful and actually ask Joanne for it to make sure we have it, because I just find cooking, campfire, going to the outhouse, looking for something in the truck. It's been amazing. And I know I keep sounding like it's just singing its praise, but I've never had a light that works in so many different situations in one little package.
And it's very durable and stable.
Yeah, I've dropped it a few times. But we have tested it, and you're going to see some of those clips.
Yes.
And we're playing with some new lights this weekend,
We are.
which is kind of cool.
And we'll
give a full review, but
Yeah.
you've seen our videos before. We have to test them before we actually do a review on them. So it probably won't be this weekend, obviously, but coming soon. You'll be seeing something about this new light here. We wanted something that was more directional for when we cook and everything else, especially for the winter months, because we camp in the winter. And it just, even though we have light under the awning, you want something that's directional, and this is as directional as it gets. So we'll see how that works. But so far, so good.
So far, so good. It is pitch black. We'll probably have to bring our Outcast light with us.
To cook, yeah. This thing is coming in so handy. Like,
Yeah.
there's very few items that I actually say, okay, you know what, I really like this. I really like this. it just takes no room, and it's just so convenient.
It's great.
Yeah, I don't know what to say. It's just, I like it.
Yep. It's getting dark. This light is amazing. And I think for today, we're going to call it. But in general, 100, 1000%. If you are looking for a more compact, specific lighting for your camp, you must look into one of these. So as you can see, there are multiple uses for this light, whether you're hiking or camping.
In conclusion, I've got to say, there is not one bad thing about this light. I will give you a tip though. So with the magnetic bottoms, and it'll probably, yeah, it did it right here too.
Yeah.
If you notice, if there's any magnetized dirt or any iron kind of content to your dirt, like there's little dust on here, you will have trouble closing it up. So just make sure that you brush off the bottom of the legs. Other than that, that's the only downfall, and it's not a downfall by any means because it's a magnet and it's doing its job.
Exactly. We will put the link in the description if you want to go check this out. We highly recommend that you do. I don't even know what more we can say.
No, I love it. I absolutely love it, and we use it consistently. You know how you buy all those gadgets and it's one of those things that, yeah, you use it a few times and you don't use it. I have used this on every trip we have went on, and it's worked flawlessly. Absolutely flawlessly.
Absolutely flawless. So with that being said,
Get out
enjoy life.
and find your moments.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.